Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a two wings room divider. Okay, first of all you have to make floor for the first. You have to make any size of the floor. Maybe you can set the floor wide around 3000 millimeter. Then you have to push it up until it have any thickness and just make it group, and then you can make any size of the wall and any height of the wall, something like this. Then you have to push it up. Also it's around 3000 millimeter, right? And then you have to duplicate this wall into another side, something like this, with just click the object and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, and then you can get existing of the room right here. Okay, and then you have to make basic shape of this one side of the room divider, just only with a rotated rectangle, and you can position it on center position, and then you can set it around 900 millimeter, and then you can set the thickness, it's around 100 millimeter. Okay, and then you have to push it up. You have to push it up around maybe it's around 50 millimeter, right? And then you have to make it group and just make a rectangle with any size, then which is it a little bit smaller than the base plate. Okay, you can see the dimension right here. It's just approximately of the room divider, or you can set the height for each column. Okay, maybe something like this. Then you can push it up. It's around it's around 2500 millimeter, something like this. Then you can make it group and just make it component, and just create it. And then you have to move and just press Control of it, then press Control and just type on your keyboard. It's around 8/millimeter, right? So you can see the result. And then you can make another connection, little connection with a rectangle. You can see the video, and then you can just make it group and just make it component also, just create it. Then you can move it with artistic arrangement as you can anyway, maybe something like this. And then you can just select this all of object and just press move and just press it Control to the bottom position, and then you can move it to the left, and you can repeat the movement in with this object and just press move, just press Control and just so press this, and then you have to move and just press Control. Okay, and then you can see the result of the modeling from the step. Okay, and then you have to select this object and just press move and then press Control again, and then you have to position it on the top of the object. Then you can make it group all this component. Then you can adjust with this material which is formica laminated light, and then you can adjust it. So then you can press move and just press Control and just press in the left position, so it would be two wings room divider in SketchUp anyway. So this is a tutorial from me. I hope it would be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.